Friends, welcome back to the Emporium of Skills. This is a platform specially designed to help you in mastering a variety of skills. These modules will help you gain a professional excellence by refining the aptitudes within you and also empowering the listening, speaking, reading and writing skills in the right direction. I'm Alice. In Module 2, I would love to take you on a journey of phonetics with my friend Harry and explain to you different concepts on phonetics such as vowel sounds, consonant sounds, articulators, IPA and many more. Would you love to come with me?
Hello Alice, I'd love to go along with you on this journey. Phonetics. What is phonetics? Is this a branch of linguistics that examines sounds in the language?
Yes. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics, which is the scientific study of a language. It studies the sounds of human speech. In English, there is no one-to-one relation between spelling and sounds. The 26 alphabet in English language produce 44 sounds. It's quite natural to have lots of confusion about the pronunciation of English words.
In order to clear this confusion, the learners of English language use the IPA to check the right pronunciation. Now, what is IPA and why is it so important? The International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA, tells us the correct sounds and word stress in the pronunciation of English words.
Because the spelling of an English word doesn't tell us the right pronunciation. As you know, some letters remain silent and the combination of some letters produces similar or dissimilar sounds. To get a clear picture, one should learn the IPA symbols.
There are 44 sounds in the English language. Of these, 20 are vowels and 24 are consonants. Of the 20 vowels, 12 are pure sounds and 8 are diphthongs.
To start with the examples of pure vowel sounds, dear learners, please listen to me carefully and repeat after me. E. Hit, sit, kit, e, read, wait, great, a, bed, next, pet, a, bat, flat, family, a, heart, park, article, or, short, pot, dog, or, short, walk, August, full, book, put, school, food, roll, hut, cut, up, alert, earth, heard, allowed, about, ago.
Thank you, Alice. The 8 sounds of diphthongs are the following. I, as in fight, find, tiger. Ow, as in shout, mouse, brown. O, as in go, home, phone. Oi, as in boy, toy, enjoy. Ua, as in poor, sure, tour. Ear, as in ear, clear, fear. Air, as in air, care, declare. A, as in hate, plate, place.
Now to start with the examples of 24 consonant sounds. Dear learners, please listen carefully and Repeat. P. Paper. Top. Report. B. Book. Robot. Rub. T. Task. Reporter. Hit. D. Desk. Border. But. K. Kite. Talking. Back. G. Good. Regard. Back. F. Famous. Reform. Roof. V. Vase. Revise. Of. S. Sail. Missing. Face. Z. Zoo. Crazy. Phase. Shh. Share. Pushing. Rash. J. Pleasure. Vision. Leisure.
Consonant sounds continued. Ch as in chair, church, rich. J as in jump, judge, garage. M as in mother, remember, norm. N as in needle, kindle, 10. Ing as in ring, wrong, singing. L as in laugh, little, rail. R as in roar, river, recover. W as in watch, rework, reward. Y as in you, yo-yo, yes. Th as in think, thought, sank. The as in this, weather, wealthy. Her as in house, inhale, rehearse. Articulators. When our lungs are full of air, we are ready to speak. We use our lips, teeth, teeth ridge, tongue, and palate for speaking. These speech organs, our articulators, take different shapes to produce different sounds. Our vocal cords are situated in the voice box or glottis.
Voiceless sounds are produced when we push air through open vocal cords when they do not vibrate. And a different sound is produced when the vocal cords vibrate. Such sounds are called voiced sounds. You can experiment yourself by keeping your palm on your head and say S. Now say Z. Did you feel the difference? And did you feel the vibration? Out of 44 sounds, 9 are voiceless sounds, such as P, T, K, F, S, Sh, Th, Ch, H. Now, let us learn about plosives. Plosives are produced with an explosive sound, a consonant sound that is made by stopping air flowing out of the mouth and then suddenly releasing it. Following are the plosives with examples. P, people, appear, gap, b, book, about, mop, t, tough, attack, rotate, d, dance, advance, adore, k, keen, account, rock, g, great, again, fog.
Affricates. When these sounds are produced, we hear both obstruction as well as frictional release. Let's hear some examples. Ch sound, chain, attach, chance, cherry. J sound, imagine, enjoy, jump, justice.
Now, let us learn about fricatives. These sounds are produced with friction. Fricatives are consonants produced by forcing air through a narrow channel made by placing two articulators close together. Following are the examples of dental fricatives and labiodental fricatives. Please listen and repeat. Dental fricatives, where the front part of the tongue touches a spot behind the upper teeth. Th, thing, than, thought. The, this, mother, weather. Labiodental fricatives, where the lower lip and upper teeth are involved. Feel, first, flower, van, vase, vast.
Sibilants. Sibilants are fricative consonants of higher amplitude and pitch made by directing a stream of air with the tongue towards the teeth. Examples: sh sound, shine, shirt, shape. J sound, leisure, measure, pleasure. Sibilants with minimal pairs: seal, zeal, sink, zinc, sip, zip. Glottal fricatives: hope, house, behave, behind, behold, horizon.
Now, I have an interesting story to tell. You'd love to listen to it. And while listening to the story, you can also see the phonetic transcription for the text. Listen, see, learn, and enjoy. Here goes the story. Prevention is better than cure. Characters: Miss Annie, Dr. John. Miss Annie works as a director in an MNC India. She is sincere, dynamic, and hardworking in her work, experience, and dealings with her clients. One day, she gets the news that one of her clients is infected with COVID-19. Annie reflects on her past meetings. At once, she becomes apprehensive about her health. She feels sick and consults her childhood friend, Dr. Jones.
Dr. Jones, a prolific surgeon at AIIMS, understands her worry and says, "You need not worry, Annie, if you have been following the safety protocols, such as maintaining social distance, using masks and sanitizers. And I know you eat healthy food and follow healthy habits. Also, you love doing yoga and meditation. So, physically and psychologically, you will always remain free from the virus."
Yes, Dr. Jones' words gave great relief to Annie. She has been strictly following the safety measures. She has always tried to keep her body and mind strong enough to fight the viruses. She smiles and gets back to work.
When we listen to this story and when we see the corresponding IPA script, we are certain that pronunciation is very important. It gives the right impression about the sounds of speech. Correct pronunciation enhances our communication skills and makes us feel more confident in expression and our accomplishments.
Absolutely. Right pronunciation and understanding of English speech are the strong pillars to master English language. Pay attention to the movement of your tongue and also the placement and use of different articulators which are discussed earlier. Remember how you make the sound, where you make the sound, and whether the consonant is voiced or unvoiced.
Dear learners, hope you have enjoyed this rewarding and fulfilling journey on Emporium of Skills in Phonetics. We'll be back soon with our next module. Stay tuned and be champions of skills.
It was really an awesome journey throughout, with the excitement of practicing the module of phonetics in the learning of a language skill. Please practice the same pattern in your daily conversations and speech. Your abilities are your strengths. Thank you for being with us and see you in our next module.